Right, I'm Sean, and this is my Ford Transit. I've converted it from a builder's van into a camper van for just £700. Join me and my adventures and vlogs with Project Camper and enjoy the video. Hi everybody, welcome back. Tonight, I've just popped into Asda to get some bits and pieces, because tonight I thought I'd do another stealth camping video. So I've got a few bits and pieces, and I'm gonna go and find this spot. I quickly Google mapped it and it looks all right, so let's go. Right, after a short drive, I actually am in the middle of nowhere. Behind me is a forest, and I can hear some animals in there. My van's behind me. There's a little light, a little red light. So, I'm down this country lane, to be fair. Behind me, don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but behind me, probably about half a mile down the road, is some houses. Quite posh houses, to be fair. Might come out of me some pitchforks, but let's see if I can find some light. So yeah. I'm going to close the curtains. Close the curtains. So there's blackout. And hunker down for the night. Let me close the van up and I'll come back in a second. Right. Curtains are drawn. So let's go outside the van. I'm going to leave the lights on and see if we can see in. See a little bit. Go a bit further. Yeah. Right, okay. Whew. Right. It's going to be a super clear night tonight. There's no cloud in the sky, which is probably going to make it quite cold, I expect. Right, hopefully that'll be better. I really do need to get that edge there over to here. That would be pretty much perfect. The van's on the piss a little bit. Oh well. Can't put the blocks out because that made it look like I'm camping, wouldn't it? But anyway, so here we go. Just hope I don't get a knock. I haven't had anything to eat yet, so I might make something to eat. Oh, the van is quite near side down. I don't really want to keep starting the van up though, but I'm going to have to because I can't sleep like this. Well, I can, because my head's this side, my feet will be that way. Right, I'm going to move the van. Right, just moved the van, and a Fiat Punto has just gone past, coming from behind me, that way, forward, so going out. Oh well. See how it goes, won't we? I know probably not a good idea, but it's not too bad. I might have a bottle of beer. Calm the old nerves a little bit. Only the one. See how that goes. So let's get in the back. Right. I'm in the back of the van. Lights are on. I have double checked, can't see out. But the only thing is, I've got no Wi-Fi. Look. Hang on. It's on. But at the back there, at the back here, should be 3 lights. Or at least 1 light. Bummer. That means I can't watch Netflix. Mind you, the phone's got signal, so I can tether off of that. So, not too much of a problem, I suppose. But hey ho. Right. So what shall I eat tonight? I might just break out a pot noodle or something like that. I've got all my stuff. Done all that. I've got my gas bottle and that because obviously in my last video I showed you where I redid all the electrics in the back of the van, which is so much better. It's just so much better. So that's cool. Right, well, there we go. Compressor's just kicked on for the freezer. So chilling a beer. So yeah, I've got my bottles ready. Can't be bothered to sort the toilet out, even though it's in there. Well, so yeah, stealth camping part 2. Not sponsored by them, but pot noodle, Bombay bad boy. Give that a go. Right, not far off ready. So, I like my I like it all mashed up. Whoa. Just someone was banging on the side of the door then. Nope. Right, we are done. Do you know what, I really thought someone banged on the side of the door then. This is beginning to get the heebie-jeebies. Alright. It's not a private road, so I can't see anyone saying anything. And there is a public footpath sign over there. So I think if someone says anything, I'm going to say, well, yeah, I've got my photographic gear here, I'm stargazing. I can't see them having a problem with that. There's no light pollution here. In fact, I might even actually do that. I've got my tripod. I've got my AOE phone. That's really, really good for night photography. So, yeah, I think that'd be my excuse. Can't say nothing about that, can they? And being a full-time van lifer, not really, but yeah, still off camping. I think this is going to be a bit of a nervous one. The other one wasn't too bad, but this one's going to be a bit, I think it's going to be a bit nervous. Not much sleep, but see how it goes. Other people do it, don't they? The other lad does it in his Ford Galaxy, but then he does it in car parks. This is in the middle of nowhere, and I'm sure the country folk around here have pitchforks. Get off my land, human! So, right, hopefully the old bad boy's nearly done, so I'm going to tuck into that. Might add a bit more hot water, I think. Right, I'll give it a few more minutes, I think. Right, I've turned the main lights off. And I've just got like a little Sealy wood effect torch that I'll keep in the van. And I've also remotely controlled it, locked the van as well. So if they do start banging, I shall quickly pick up the camera. I can't see it, to be fair, but you never know. Adds to the tension, doesn't it? Right. Little Bombay bad boy's done. Ooh. Oh. Oh. That's hot. Oh. I think it needs a bit of Tommy. Fixes everything. That and mayonnaise. Oh yeah. I think I might put too much in it, I think. Oh well. Oh, that's quite nice. Bombay bad boy with quite a dollop of ketchup. The branded stuff. Oh. Message. Right. Another car's just gone by. Haven't stopped. Carry on. What I did forget to say is the time. I don't know if we can pick it up, but it's 7:10. So, it's going to be a long night. I didn't want to just rock up at like, say, 12 o'clock or whatever, because, you know, I think the idea of stealth camping is to be out as long as possible, isn't it? Not, well, I don't know, I might be wrong, I suppose. Well, yeah, probably I could be wrong, I reckon. You know, you probably just want to get in, kip, and get out again. But, especially with not Project Camper written on the back of the van, that's not pretty stealthy, is it, I suppose? But, oh, hang on. wash my food down. Didn't go down. Oh. Living with achalasia. Oh. Not very nice. My esophagus is about the size of that, and you got like a little valve, like it's a sphincter in your stomach, and that's pretty much blocked up all the time. So food's got to go through a very, very tiny hole. Normally it opens up, let your food through, but mine's really tiny. I've had operations, they don't work. So to eat, I can eat small amounts, and I have to wash it down with water. Water with additives. And if it gets stuck, it's just like, you can feel it go woof, and that hurts. But hey ho, anyway. If you want to know more about achalasia or living with achalasia, Google it. Gone are the days of roast dinners. And also because my stomach shrunk, it's about the size of a yoghurt pot. So I won't be able to finish this. I mean, that's all I'm going to put on my fork at any one time. That's why I crushed it all up. Anyway, enough about that. Right, so yeah, it is 7:15 now. So I'm going to carry on with my beer, carry on with my pot noodle. Hopefully you don't get disturbed. I'm going to keep the camera charged. Oh, excuse me. And I'm going to keep it close to hand, so if anything happens, you'll be the first to know. Right, back in a bit. Right, finished with bad boy, and the phone's going to go, it's not flat, but it's only about 40%. So I'm going to use my booster pack car. So yeah, I'm going to use my booster pack. Hopefully I've charged it up. Yep, fully charged. So cool. So I'm going to use that. That keep the phone charged up. I've got one of these, just like these cables. Right, charge it up. Watch a bit of Netflix. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you how cold it is. According to Google, it's 6 degrees. And the van is 12 degrees. It's 12 degrees in here. So the insulation's working well. Right. Carry on drinking my beer. Right everyone, it is, oh what's the time? 1:45 in the morning. I've had a bit of a Netflix fest. I've just finished watching The Crown. That's quite good, it is. So I highly recommend that. Right, I'm going to get out of this pit. But I have noticed it is quite nippy now. So trying to get out of my Asda winter duvet is going to be a bit of a mission. But oh well, never mind. So I'm going to go outside now and going to photograph the stars. Well, if I can, that is. So I've charged up my Owie mobile phone because that's really good at taking photos at night time. So get outside. Right, I've been outside with my other phone. It is cold out there, you can see the screen. Oh, it is cold out there, and I tell you what, oh, yeah, quite cool. I don't know if you can see the time. Oh, hang on a minute. Well, it's 1:35 in the morning, and I tell you what, oh, as I said, it's cold out there, and wow, there's some freaky noises out there. Let me lock the van. Right, locked in. Yeah, there's some freaky noises out there. You think, right, I'm 50 years of age, and I tell you what, I'm sitting there, I can feel the back of my hair come up my neck, thinking, what the is that? But hey, hey, you expect like something, you know, I'm going to look on the footage in a minute, and you probably think it might be something like Bigfoot in the background or something like that. Oh dear, mental. Anyway, right, I am going to turn in. So yeah, it's 1:35, 1:37 now in the morning, and time for some sleep. So I'll catch you in the morning. Morning, everybody. Whoa, it's cold, but I am super snug in this duvet. Ooh. Just been woken up, the cars has gone past. But 10 to 7 in the morning, I'll beg it up, because obviously I think this is a farm track. There's a farm up the road, and where I parked my van, I moved it level yesterday. So what I don't want is to be able to, just in case a big tractor comes down the road and I'm sort of like blocking his view. Cars are okay, cars have got plenty of room, but the you know, this is so comfy. Right, get up, get dressed, move the van over slightly, and then we're going to see what it's like outside. So get up. Ah, we're all frozen. Right. Oh, let's unlock the van. Got a draft excluder. Right. Oh yeah. The sun's just about to come up about here. Oh, it's pheasants. Oh my God, there's loads of them. All behind me, there's all over there. Wow. I'll turn the camera around. Wow. Oh. Right. I'll move the van, as you can see it's quite close to the road. I'll move it over a little bit. Yeah. Ah. Look at that for a sun. Wow, that's come up quite quick. Beautiful. Yeah, I was standing here last night, and obviously all the noises were coming from there. I was like, my God. Yeah. Oh, there's a house there, look. Behind here is a couple of houses, actually. Right, let's move the van. Oh, someone's getting shot. Right, Right, I left the other phone outside, the Aoi phone outside on a time lapse doing the sunrise. So I'm going to put that in. But now, I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. Oh, yeah. Let's get that on the go. Right, got my little, see what have I done with my cup? Ah, my cup that makes noises. Really strange. Right, cup of coffee time. And I might have, oh, yeah. I don't know what flavour I should have. I've got these little Instapots. That's the original. And then there is a couple of variants. Apple and blackcurrant. I might give that a go actually. So a cup of coffee and some oats. I'm waiting for that windscreen to defrost. Might put the panel up in a bit, I think. But then it does. It's not stealth camping though, is it really? But it's a night out then, isn't it? Stealth camping, night out. Windscreen's like the Matrix. See the drips running down. Cool. Oh, car just gone by. Look at that. In that field somewhere. There. Where is it? I don't know if you can see it. I can zoom into it. Ah, there it is. There's the camera on the tripod. Look at that for a sunrise. Stunning. Right people, I think I'm in this vlog here. I might go for a walk. So I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank the 1,060 subscribers. I really do thank you all. So hopefully, I'll see you in the next one.